let's look at the linear pattern. We learned the linear pattern in year 10. So let's make a pretty simple linear pattern. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I start off with, say, number 3, and then it goes up in 2s, so 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Now, if you recall, we work out the difference, which is 5 minus 3. That gives you 2. 7 minus 5 gives you 2. 9 minus 7 gives you 2. And it goes on like that. And this is called first difference. Right? So if the first difference is same all the time, like this one, it gives you a straight line. So if we draw the graph, it will be something like this, a linear pattern. So how do you write the equation for this one? Sometimes we call it a generalized rule. So take this number 2, times it by the step, that's the step, which gives you 2. It doesn't give you 3. So what you need to do to adjust, you got to add 1. Now try that with step number 2 and step number 3, step number 4, step number 5, and so on. So one of the things you notice, this number is constant 2, which is basically the difference between the number and the prior number. So this one keeps changing. Let's call it x. So what is happening is 2 lots of x plus 1 will give you the rule. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the step numbers. And let's start with, say, if you call a cab, you have to give, say, for example, $5. Irrespective of whether you travel or not, you have to pay $5. And per kilometer, say, the fare keeps on rising at the rate of $3. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. And 17 and 20 and 23. So that is a linear sequence. Okay, now let's look at that. So very quickly, because we are year 11s, the common difference is 3 all the time. So we know this is going to give you the linear pattern. Let's try it. 3 times 1. 3 times 1. 3 multiplication by 1. It gives you 3. It doesn't give you 5. So you need to make an adjustment. 3 times 2 plus 2. Let's check it. 3 times 2 is 8 plus 2. Sorry, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 gives you 8. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2. 4 times, oh, yeah, 3 times, I got mixed up. 3 times 4, 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 5 plus 2. 3 times 6 plus 2. 3 times 7 plus 2. Right? So this number is changing, so we call it a variable x. And 3 lots of x plus 2 is the equation. It's not rocket science. This is pretty straight and simple task. Stop there.